In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Viagogo tickets are real. The best place to start is by signing into your Viagogo account and opening the order connected to your event. Once you're inside, go to My Orders and select the specific purchase you want to review. This gives you the main reference point for everything else, because the order page should show the official details attached to your ticket purchase. Next, carefully check that the ticket details match the event you intended to buy. Look at the event name, date, time, venue, and seat information. These details should all line up correctly. Even small mismatches can be a warning sign, so it's worth taking a moment to read everything closely instead of just glancing over it. After that, confirm that you received the tickets through the correct delivery method. For example, your tickets may arrive as a PDF download, or they may be sent through an official mobile ticket transfer. The delivery format should match what was expected for that event. If something arrives in a way that seems unusual, that's a reason to double check before event day. If your tickets were transferred through an official ticketing platform like Ticketmaster or AXS, make sure you accept the transfer completely and verify that the tickets appear inside that official account. This is important because seeing the tickets in the platform itself can help confirm that the transfer was completed properly. You should also inspect the barcode or QR code. Make sure it is clearly visible and doesn't look blurred, cropped, altered, or damaged. A clean and readable code is essential for entry, especially for digital tickets that will be scanned at the venue. Then compare the ticket information with the event details listed on the organizer's official website. This helps you confirm that the venue, timing, and other important information are consistent. If the event organizer provides an official ticket verification option, use that method directly. Official verification is always more reliable than relying on appearance alone. If you notice missing information, wrong event details, or anything that makes the ticket seem invalid, contact Viagogo support right away. It's better to raise concerns early rather than waiting until the day of the event. Finally, keep your confirmation email and order details until after the event has passed. Those records can be useful if you need support or proof of purchase. That's how to check whether your Viagogo tickets are real and ready to use.